after we working out, after we done, you know, got the kids to and from school, okay, we ran our errands, we're going out. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So y'all see it? Y'all see the little ghetto garment rack I put together, y'all. I'm back with it, with the try-on hauls, okay? I'm back to it, y'all. I have not done a try-on haul in so long. Y'all know I was on and popping with the little try-ons or whatever. But girl, I got pregnant and honestly, my fashion, my just like passion to even get dressed just flew out the window. I mean, I wasn't looking too busted during my pregnancy. I was looking like cute and comfortable, but it just wasn't enough to like come and bring y'all a try on haul. But I done had my baby, okay, and I'm feeling so good. Like y'all don't even understand this postpartum period for me, like as far as my body, my mood, like everything, I just feel amazing. So I'm so excited to be getting back to like myself. Oh, I'm so excited to be getting back to me, honey, getting back to you, okay? So we getting cute today. I have Garden of Glam, honey. This is my sister's boutique, y'all. Blood sister. For those of y'all who don't know me, I have two sisters, and this is my oldest sister, okay? And she's on the pop-in, best braider. She got like a cute little in-home salon. She got her boutique going on, her skincare, body care products. Like y'all, my sister is doing a thing, so I'm gonna link all her information down below in the description box. So shout out to my sister and shout out to Garden of Glam for these cute clothes I'm about to try on. Once again, make sure to check that description box down below. I also have a code so you can get 10% off. So right here on the screen, go ahead and use my code, save you some money, okay? And yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. Cute or whatever, nice little two-piece. So some of y'all have already seen this outfit if you follow me on Instagram, but those of y'all who haven't, I love this set so much because it's cute, it's comfortable. Like this material, y'all, it's so stretchy. Yeah, this material is just super stretchy. So like you gain a couple pounds, you lose a couple pounds, you still gonna fit this. I like how this one makes my booty pump or whatever. Got a little something back there, okay. Y'all just love this so much. This is definitely a twerker. You can twerk very easily. I ain't gonna give y'all the whole show, but you know what I'm saying? You could twerk easy up in this one because it's so stretchy and it's just so like, you know, it's so breathable. So this is your active food outfit, honestly. You better come through with it, Garden of Glam. You know, it's giving a little bit. I love this piece so much. This is really like comfortable, cute. Like y'all just don't know. I am all for this. This is my zone right here. Like all these pieces that she sent me are stretchy, so that is a plus. And y'all, I'm feeling this. I'm feeling myself. Like this is that go to the grocery store, bring your errands, and you know what I'm saying? Giving a little. This is definitely like summer and fall time and winter time friendly, so I am all for that. I can also see this being cute with like a jacket or something, like when it starts cooling down, like a nice little jean jacket and like some white shoes or like some, like, you know, white running shoes, or even my first size. Look, I'm gonna advocate for my furry slides because I know a lot of people do not like the furry slides, but listen, I think they are so cute. I love my furry slides. I wear them with everything. It might make me ratchet and I don't even care because I love my furry slides. So I think this will honestly be cute with some furries, like some little pink. That's cute. Some white or pink furries. Call me what you want to. This is also a twerkable one. You see you can move in it. You can move a little jiggle thing. I'm so here for this piece, honey. I love this one because of the compression. Y'all can just see and feel. I'm gonna try to give y'all a little. Like this compression is crazy. Y'all hear that? Girl, snapping you all the way in like a rubber band. Hell, this is such a cute gym look and everyday look, y'all. If I could wear activewear every single day in my life, I probably would, because I love like activewear. Like it just, I mean, I guess I pretty much am active every day, just like, you know, having kids and can't never sit down. So I think I can qualify for gym clothes for the rest of my life. But yeah, this one just cinches you in so good, especially y'all be dealing with my bloating. Y'all know when that time of the month come around, you be bloating like crazy. So this right here just, you know what I'm saying? Like, girl, are you going to the gym? Are you going to a photo shoot? We don't even know because this is so cute. I love this color. Like, it's just so bright and so, girl, she feeling herself in this one. I don't know if this one can pass the twerk test because it's so like, it's supposed to, you know, calm you down, focus you in on something else other than after the food. It's like compressing, so it's not really, ain't really twerkable. You can do a little, you know, you can do a little something, but this ain't really like, you know, stretchy, twerkable type of material. But this is it, y'all. Like, oh my God, I'm about to be, gym pictures is about to be so cute, cause ooh, this the one. These Garden of GLAM, y'all, I had some sets from some different, you know, boutiques. I had Fashion Nova, you know what I'm saying, like the cute little two-piece sets. They ain't got nothing on Garden of GLAM. The quality of these sets, like them Fashion Nova sets that I bought, they didn't even last me a year because they just got, like the material just got raggedy on me, like the ends of the pants would just like get all loose, and like the strings on them just was raggedy and just got loose, and like, you know, just the material started messing up. But these, oh my God, like the quality, baby. These sets are so, I don't even know the word, like sturdy. Like, girl, these sturdy, okay? Like, I love this. Oh my God, y'all don't know something about me. Y'all need to know, I love the fall time. The fall time is my favorite season, okay? My ultimate favorite season. I love when it starts getting cool. The weather gets just a little bit of crisp. It's not freezing cold, but it's just like crispy. So, okay, like, this is a fall time fave right here. Just having a cute long sleeve set. I love this. I feel cute. I feel cute in a mug. I had cute clothes in a minute. Like I said, during my pregnancy, obviously, I ain't wearing stuff like this. So I ain't had like some cute fits in a hot little minute. So I'm excited. And I like this little string right here so you can tighten it. It's one of those, I don't know what it's called, but you know, one of them strings so you can tighten. Of course, you can zip this up. Get your little workout on, you know what I'm saying? Be serious, or I'm trying to give a little cute, you know what I'm saying? Going to the store, going to do some things, going to run some errands, and I'm cute. I'm feeling like an Insta baby. This is the ultimate like workout inspiration, because when you cute going to the gym, you looking at yourself in the mirror, you know what I'm saying? Getting your squats on, and you just looking cute, and you like, okay. You know what I'm saying? Visualizing the outcome. You visualizing your dream body or whatever. Getting it right and getting it tight. So I just, yes, like give me some cute workout clothes. Garden of GLAM got it, honey, okay? Girl. Girl. Who she thinks she is? So after we working out, after we done, you know, got the kids to and from school, okay, we ran our errands. We're going out. Period. I mean, I'm going somewhere in somebody's dress because date night, a drink or three. Like, everybody needs that classic black dress, but like I'm really low-key not a fan of mini dresses. So this right here is my vibe, like having a long dress or even like a knee-length dress. But this right here, you could go a lot of different ways with this, because this can be real dressed up just because of the elegance of the flow at the bottom, the longness at the bottom, or it could just be like a cute little, you know, brunch date night. So I love this dress. It's super stretchy. Once again, all these clothes, like, look, I got some room, okay? And girl, you thought she was done. You thought she was done with the little bag. This is so cute. Oh my goodness, I can't wear stuff like this like on a normal basis because I'm a mom. I got to have a whole big diaper bag. But this, how cute is this for like a girls' night out? Or for like a little adult brunch. Like, how cute! My little mini bag. And wait a minute. Y'all, I love this. Oh my goodness. I feel so cute. Like, this is such a cute match. You can adjust it. Choker vibes or whatever you want to do. Cute little choker vibes. With the little, okay. this is a look for me. This is definitely a braless dress. Like, you cannot wear a bra with this dress just because of how it's cut. And yeah, you want to get you some nipple pads or something. I ain't got nothing on, but you might want like some nipple pads or something with this dress if you ain't comfortable with the whole free the nipple thing. I also wanted to show y'all this butterfly necklace, which I think is so cute. Like, yes, accessories are popping, okay? Garden of Glam, you better. She is giving class, sass, a little bit of okay? Yes, girl, yes. Garden of Glam is a whole entire bop. Like, I am here for it. Y'all make sure once again to check out those links down below. Use my discount code so you can save some money. You get 10% off using my code, y'all. Shout out to Garden of Glam. I thoroughly loved every single piece. I love the quality, just the stretch, the feel, like everything about these clothes is like feel good, feel comfortable, and feel cute, like super cute. Once again, shout out to Garden of Glam. Shout out to my amazing, beautiful big sister. She is doing it. Like, y'all, we gotta be here for it. Black businesses, okay, out here doing it. So y'all make sure to support and shop Black owned. I think it is so important to uplift our community financially in that way. So click those links down below. Garden of Glam is on Instagram, Facebook, all of that. Make sure y'all go check them out. Make sure to follow me on Instagram to see some cute pictures, because y'all know I got some cute pictures in my cute little clothes. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below and subscribe if you ain't subscribed, boo. And I'll catch y'all in the next video.